And we're back. I believe this is the 4th day of me replacing just my carpet in my RV. And I found out that I needed more material, not for the floor, but I needed more trim and, well, angle pieces, because I thought about this. And this is, my set for the RV, and before there was like carpet all over this. I actually way long ago when I did the stairs, I had to basically go and redo this board, so I cut out the carpet that was in here just to be able to do this part, which obviously I'm gonna have to do more work to this, get these things more in here. But anyway, and well, there was just carpet everywhere, and I have so much more of this really nice looking wood that I decided I'm gonna go ahead and just put wood in here and possibly go and do some more carpeting here. Just to get this part, here. And well, I mean, I did get a angle piece for putting over here. I'm gonna have to paint that because it's just wild wood. So yeah, and well, today I'm gonna finish up my section here to basically get the rest of the wood over here done to where I can then hopefully get to my carpet, which, well, my carpet, I'm gonna have to really figure out a way to basically put it in here. Probably gonna have to cut it out there, get precise measurements, and it's gonna be a lot of work, and let's say a lot of work, and I'm not looking forward to it. And today, it's, I guess, gonna be a hot day today. It's already 86 degrees. Yeah, 86, 85 degrees. And it's probably gonna keep getting hot. I may end up turning on my AC. I'm trying not to use my AC as much as possible because they consume so much power. But if it's just gonna be too hot, I'm probably gonna go ahead and turn that on. Especially with me doing work, I don't like to overheat myself. And needless to say, well, not needless to say, but I made myself an iced coffee. As you can tell, there's ice cubes in here, so that's gonna keep me cool today. So good. Hopefully I'll get enough energy to go ahead and get my RV finished. Hopefully today. Hopefully today it'll be finished. I don't know. I'm hoping I'll get there, but I mean, the key word here is don't rush. Well, that's actually 2 keywords, but anyway, I don't want to be rushing too many things, because if I am under pressure and I'm rushing, I'm bound to make more mistakes, and the more mistakes I'm going to make, the more money it's going to cost me, and I'm trying to do this as cheap as possible. As cheap as possible. But yeah, it's just one of those few things, and you try to rush something, and then you're gonna mess up whatever you're doing, more likely, or you also will cause yourself more injuries, which I don't want to cause myself any more injuries than I already have. My hand feels fine, by the way, so I don't know. I did hit it with a hammer the other day, but so basically the task to do today is finish the rest of the staple pulling, which that's always so much fun. I mean, you guys have seen this before when I was doing it, and I'm probably gonna stop the video because I'll get started on it, but I'm probably going to stop the video because it's just such a long, handiest job. So, anyway, I'm going to get right to it. I have gotten the staples pulled out, at least I think for the 99% I've gotten pulled out. I probably will still run into one or two. I always have, well, it's inevitable. Anyway, I'll show you guys. So, let's see here. Zoom in. What is that? Oh, that's inside of a bolt. Okay, so anyway, I think I've gotten at least most of them pulled out. And also, I've gotten this pretty well cleaned up. And again, those are the bolts on my camper. But for the most part, I think I've gotten it pretty well cleaned up. I'm not gonna worry about that little piece back there, because, well, it's back there. It's really just well hidden, and you can't even see it. But yeah, I mean, I do know I still need to go and do this part in here, but I'll do that later sometime. I'm gonna focus on getting this finished up back there and doing the carpet hopefully today. This corner here, it's gonna be such a pain because not only am I gonna have to be able to fold it in, but as you can tell, this opens like this. So I can't just like, oh, I'm just gonna go and, no, it doesn't work like that because it folds down. I may end up having to actually take this whole door off in order to just be able to get this. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that door off because I just know it's gonna get in my way. No matter what I'm gonna do, it's gonna get in my way. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm not really sure why they decided to go ahead and make this and this cabinet fold down. I mean, I guess it's better than folding it up, but it should have been more like sideways, like you can open them up sideways, but I don't know. Probably gonna have to do the same thing as I did yesterday with the pieces of paper and tape measure. Yeah, I think so. I'm doing pretty much a lot of this, eyeballing it. Okay, so my camera cut out because the card on that got too full, and basically just getting started. I've got it outlined now, and I'm probably just gonna go ahead and get started on cutting it. Like I said, it's hot today. But anyway, yeah. So I'm hoping that I've got it just right, and it'll fit just perfect. That'd be great if that happens, but my experience has been so far that, like, first time you do it, it usually doesn't work. But we gotta start somewhere. So let's get the party started. Yeah, I don't know. Yes, I know. I should probably not be doing this on my bed. Let's hope it works. I have my doubts. Let's see if I screwed up on. Didn't. Not too bad. I need to get a little bit more in the notch in here. And that's, you know, what it's always about, is these annoying little things. But once you get it, you got it, you know? Said, you always end up chipping. Oh, come on. Why am I hung up now? Come on. Okay. I have pretty good confidence now that it's gonna fit in. So what I'm going to do now is clean this up best as I can. I don't think I'm going to angle it. I'm just gonna go lay it down to about here. Yeah, I'm not going to angle it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Oh. That's right. Wear a mask. When you mess around with that stuff, it's so potent. Ooh. didn't get it perfect. Gap here. But what it has been perfect so far, right? Nothing of it is perfect. Yeah. I'm gonna go right about here. That's gonna be the last piece. Yeah. And I'm just gonna go and put a transition right here. So. Alright. So this should still be 32 inch, right? Inch exact. And also, if I was to go ahead and stuff is strong. If I was to go ahead and angle this, I'd lose the structure more. This is gonna be more interlocked and it'll hold more down. Like I said, an RV is never straight. Never straight. This whole unit is like curved here. The fumes of this stuff is super strong. I gotta get out of here for a while. I'll be back later.